Hi friends, welcome back to Shomax channel. Today's video is about a studio color pencil box which I bought it from Dollarama. This box cost $4. Already I have a posted video of two set of color boxes from the same brand. I will leave you the link in the description box so that you can go and check how the shades look. And this box has some kind of green, grays and black. I'm going to do unboxing, shades and blending as well. Let's get started. Okay, I'm going to open the box. Wow. Okay, I'm going to pick one of the pencil and I'll show you. Yeah, they have mentioned the brand name Studio and they have mentioned the number. And this pencil is kind of a matte finish, so it will give you a nice grip while you shading. Let's move on to the shading and blending. Let's see how vibrant it is. The pressure on the pencil was very light actually, but still the color transfer was really good. This is how all the swatches look. Now let's move on to blending. Yeah, this is how the blending looks. I hope you also get to know that how these pencils work with blendings. And if you like my video, give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please click on the notification button so that whenever I post a video, you will get notified. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. See you on the next video. Until take care. Bye.